Today we're going to be looking at how we can pay people or request money using Apple Pay with our Apple iPhones for free. Now this also works with Apple iPads. To use Apple Pay, you need to set up the Apple Pay Cash card that is located in your wallet. And the wallet is an app that's on your iPhone. If you have debit cards or credit cards already set in your wallet, that's great. If not, you will need to add a debit card to your wallet during the setup process. So make sure you have that handy. Okay, first thing you want to do once you're in your phone is select the wallet application and choose the Apple Cash card that's there. If you already have cards in there, just scroll till you see the Apple Cash card. The Apple Cash card acts like a virtual debit card, allowing you to send and receive money to it. Once selected, press Set Up Apple Pay Cash. Now this tells you that your Apple Cash will be used with Messages, which is Apple's text messaging application. And that's the only way to use it here. Go ahead and click Continue, accept the legalese. And at this point, it'll take a minute or so to set it up. It also may prompt you to go ahead and set up your debit card at this point if you haven't already. Now, because of privacy settings and through video magic, ours is going to be fast. Okay, so now you can see it's activating. Now notice it prompts me right to this information area. This information area allows me to add funds to my Apple Pay Cash card, to transfer funds to my debit card from the cash card, and to adjust some settings. But scroll down until you see Verify Identity in blue and complete this step. If you don't complete this step, you may have some interruptions in your Apple Pay service. For my privacy settings, I'm not showing you this step, but it is self-explanatory. It asks for your name, your residential address, the last four of your social security number, and your date of birth. Once you enter all that information, you press Next, which is in the top right-hand corner. Okay, we're all verified and we're ready to use. So how do we use it? Going back to your main screen, you choose the Messages app, which is Apple's text messaging application. In there, on the bottom row, before you touch anything else, you'll see the Apple Pay logo, the little apple and with the word Pay. Go ahead and touch that. When you do that, it brings up a menu at the bottom, kind of in where the keyboard would be, that allows you to change the dollar amount, to request money, or to pay someone money. And if your dollar amount's a larger number and you'd like to type it in, go ahead and press on the number and it'll open up a keypad for you to enter the amount in. Once you've done that and then you choose pay or request, it puts that amount in the window of the text and it allows you to type a message before hitting send. Go ahead and type your message, hit send. Then, if you have multiple cards in your Apple wallet, it allows you to choose from which card you want to pay. Did you want to pay money from a debit card or from your Apple Pay Cash card? You can select either one here. And then go ahead and pay with Touch ID, and it sends. It really is that simple to send and to request money from folks using your Apple iPhone.